Welcome back to our second C# tutorial. Now, in this video we're just going to create our first console application and then build the Hello World program. Now, click over here on New Project, Console Application, and name it whatever you want and just click OK. I've already got one set up, I called it Program. Sorry about that. Now, if you remember some other programming languages, we've got these in them. We've got the class as well, which is program, using namespace YouTube, also using system and so on. Now, from here, again, since we're doing a Hello World program, all we need to do is just a simple console.writeLine and Hello World. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we want to just run this. Okay, so I don't know if any of you were fast enough to catch that, but it just ran through the whole program. Now, I've done research on this and found that some people feel that just console dot read key is a way to solve this problem, and it is. What we can do now is we can run it and it'll wait until we push any key and then it'll end. But for me, and for some of you, will find that what you can do is you can go to debug and you can start it without debugging, which will then run the Hello World and tell us to push any key push any key to continue. So that's one option, and I'm going to probably do a bit of both. It really depends. If I've got a program that I am going to be using a lot, I might just add that little read key at the end, but if I've got time, I'll use the start without debugging. But the other option is that you can put your own little debugger on the line, but I'm not going to do that. I just don't really see, so I don't know why people would bother with it. We don't need to set a breakpoint in, but that's the other option. So again, I'll use either console.readKey or just start without debugging. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and there's one last thing before you go. Now, I'm going to run New Project again. Now, at some point soon, I'll also put out some Windows Form application. Now, this is a little different. Instead of building it from scratch, we've actually got a little window. It'll make it a lot easier to build, but it makes your programming just from the computer doing all your work. To really understand how language works, you need to learn how to actually console code, and then from there we can even bring up our own little our own windows. In Java, this is one of the main things and all that, but I'll start a tutorial for the Windows Form application so we can actually build using GUIs, but at the moment just focus on the console application. And I'm sorry if I have confused any of you with anything that I've said, but thanks for watching.